Hello guys, back with another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to use the pen tool in you can use this in any program. There's a pen tool in Illustrator, Photoshop, Photopea, anything that you guys use, there's a pen tool. So I'm gonna teach you how to use it, how to make vectors with it, and yeah. So to use it, just click, and then click another one to make a line, and then to connect it, you have to connect it to the last one, the first point you made, to make it it's called a shape or anything that you made it, and you can have it color inside. So you can color it, and you can do anything. If you don't finish it, you can still color it, but you can color the outside of it, like the outline. And yeah, and then two, it's called make the outline. If you guys have a stroke, you can find it in your thing, just make it bigger or smaller, like that. Okay, so to make the vectors, what I usually do and what everybody else does, it's a smarter way than just trying. So like if you're trying to make it's called a magnet, you're gonna have to go try to do it from your brain. Go like this, and then go like this, and then just go something like that. I don't know. It's way harder. It's less harder. It's harder, and it looks less like the thing that you're trying to make. So like this is the magnet without using anything. So what everybody uses is you just get a picture from online, anything. So okay, just get a picture. You can find just a PNG or any picture, to be honest. Just get a picture just to make it more, so you don't have to do it exactly like it, but like just to get the shape of it. So to do that, just go here and just go on the outlines. Every corner, put one there. So you see if there's a round part right here, just put it where the round starts, right here, and then right about here. So just estimate where it would be, and then go to next corner, and the next corner, then go here about there, and then right here is about there, and go to, and then connect it all. Then right here it looks weird. On Illustrator, Photoshop, and this is I'm using Affinity Designer, has a little node tool, so you can what's called change it like this, so you can go and just shape it as a shape of the thing. So go right there. So just keep going, just keep moving the two sides until you get the exact shape like that. And same with this, pull it down, click one of the sides, and just move it around until you get the shape of it, or about there. Yeah, right there. So you get it like that. You can pull it like this, and then you can just take it out if there's anything else you want in there. So you can make it go like this, like that, and then make it silver. If you have a little eyedropper, just use that to get the exact same color of it. And then I think this is the exact same, so hold shift, pull out, and then just put it on the other one, and then like that. Take this away, and then hold up, get this up. I think you can just, no. Okay. And then just have it over the red for it to show it like that. About there. About there. Have it exact where it looks good. This one over here. this one over here. Pull it out this way. Pull it out that way. The top up here. Right up there. Okay, now I have my magnet. So now it looks more like a magnet than I did try to do it before without the image. Then you can customize it. You can get a shape. Just go like, make it like this. Turn it around. Have it over it. Make it white. White, not the outline. No outline. And then you can put the transparency down like this. And then put it in your shape, so like this, and then it'll just be right on it. So you can copy and paste this and then move it over here, so like that, and then move it, copy and paste, move it up like up here, have it like that, and then you can have more of a cartoony look on it. And if you're on Photopea and you don't have the node tool, to make it a shape, just hold and then just drag until you get a shape, because I don't think you have a node tool in there to make it go like this. So just go here and click. Oops. So click here, and then click over here, and then just drag until you get the right shape, like that. You just do that. I'm not really good at that. I'm used to the pencil and going like this. But with Photopea or whatever you're using, just click, and on the second click, you have to click and hold, and then drag out to either direction. So to the right to make it go to the left, and then to the left to make it go right. Just like that. And you can do that. That's how you make it a shape like that, and then you just do it with all the other ones and stuff, just like that. So that's how you use the pencil and use the vectors, or how to make vectors and stuff if you're using it for like Roblox or something. And yeah, so that's it for this video. It's gonna be a bit short video, but that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.